to Next Gen Reviews. If you think you've seen everything the Ford F-150 can do, think again. The 2025 Ford F-150 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in performance, technology, and design. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising the city streets, this truck is built to dominate. Stay with us as we break down why the 2025 model might just be the smartest, strongest, and most advanced F-150 yet. Bold design meets functional innovation. Ford didn't hold back with the 2025 redesign. Sleeker LED lighting, an updated grille, and aerodynamic improvements give the F-150 a commanding presence on the road. But it's not just about looks. Features like the Pro Access tailgate and revamped bed storage make every inch of this truck practical and powerful. Powertrains that push the limits. From the trusted 5.0-litre V8 to the fuel-efficient PowerBoost hybrid, the 2025 F-150 lineup offers something for every driver. And yes, the fully electric Lightning variant continues to impress with instant torque and enhanced range. No matter your choice, expect best-in-class towing and payload. Next-level tech inside and out inside, the F-150 is all digital. A 12-inch touchscreen comes standard, running Ford's latest Sync 5 system. Enhanced driver assist features and BlueCruise hands-free driving tech make long hauls easier and safer than ever. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ford F-150 isn't just a truck, it's a tech-savvy workhorse ready for the future. If you're in the market for durability, innovation, and unbeatable performance, this is the one to watch. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more expert takes on tomorrow's top vehicles.